How to change the language in Chrome on your laptop or computer. So if your Chrome browser is displaying the wrong language, then I'm going to show you how to go and change this to another language. Now, all you need to do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of your browser. And then if you scroll all the way down this page, you can go and click on Settings, which is this one here with the settings icon. Now from the left hand side, you'll need to scroll all the way down and you'll see an option here for languages. So if you can't read it because it's in another language, you can just see this A icon, that's the one you need to click. You can then click on this button at the top of the page and then click on the search box and then go and search for the language you want to change your Chrome browser to. Now once you've selected your language, click on Add, and that will now go and add this language to your browser. Now to begin using this, click on the three vertical dots next to it and press Display Chrome in this language. Now if this option is grayed out and you can't click on this, you'll just need to go and close your Chrome browser. You can then go and reopen the app. And if you click back on the three vertical dots and come over to settings, you can then click back on languages and you can try to select display Chrome in this language. Now, if you still can't click on display Chrome in this language, it means this language is not supported in Chrome and you'll need to go and add another language so you can then select this checkbox. Now, once you've selected it, you'll just need to click on the relaunch button and your Chrome browser will now change to the new language.